looking at the work? It's like, you feel relieved to see what's happened so far?
Oh yeah, it's really great. We had a perfect day to set that box, 0 wind, and that's kind of hard to find in Oklahoma when the wind blows every day.
This is the fruition of a lot of work, right?
We've been working on this project for just a little over a year. We actually started class a month ago. We finished one month-long class, and the other group that we see here today is in their about their 3rd day of class.
What do you ever notice?
It took a lot of research, a lot of phone calls, a lot of internet research, a lot of talking to wind farm operators and power companies to decide exactly where to go and what to do. But the answer is yes, I was nervous. I've been nervous for about a year.
I'm going to come back to the actual interview with you. I'm just going to kind of touch on that. What I want to do.
Again, a lot of research, some engineering consultations, a lot of money. We had 7 full-time programs here on campus that were interested in helping, and so they all played a part. Our welding program, machine shop program. Of course, we had to hire in a structural welder and an engineer to get involved in. But it took about a year to get it going, and quite a bit of advice from wind farm operators. This is funded through the lottery money. We applied for a grant through the Department of Career Tech, and were able to receive that grant, $337,000 of our lottery money to fund this project. It's a multifaceted project. This tower that you're looking at here is the first of 2 towers, the first of 3 training facilities that will be put on this location. In a couple of weeks, we'll be putting up the 2nd tower, and then the 3rd will be probably in March.
How many students, what will they be doing?
These guys that will be going through this program will be climb qualified. They'll have all of the industry standard rescue training. They'll know how to get out of the tower in case they have to. They'll know how to get their buddy out in case there's an issue. If there's a medical issue up turbine, they'll know how to get their team members out. They'll have all of the qualifications that are requested by the wind farm operators in the state of Oklahoma and surrounding states in order to get on the wind farms and do work. There are actually 9 different certifications that they'll hold when they finish this program.
It's hopeful that this is something that the wind always blows in Oklahoma.
The wind does blow, and these towers, the utility class towers, actually have a 20-year projected lifespan. So once they put them up, they're probably going to be up for 20 years. And they're going to turn every day, except a day like this when the wind doesn't blow. Pretty rare.
But you were needing a quiet day, the irony of it all.
We had to have a quiet day, so that's why we had to rush around and do it today. We've spent a lot of time projecting when the wind wasn't going to blow, and today was the day, so here we are. Bill Hulsey, Hulsey. You got good pictures. And did you get this piece over here?
I actually got the crane. The crane is.
Okay. Bolt Construction out of Oklahoma City has been very helpful in this project. They've actually brought their equipment out and spent a lot of time with us. Rather than just running in and running out, they're doing the job. They've been very helpful to help us get this thing together. Sure have.
This puts a whole new twist on getting your classroom ready, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. When your classroom is 75, 80 feet in the air, it's a whole different deal. It sure is. Really very important. The very first step that we took in the process of putting this program together was to bring together an advisory committee of about 25 wind operators and power companies and begin asking the questions. What do you want to see in an applicant when they walk in the door to apply for a job with your company? And that's where the curriculum development starts. And that's where the wind tower training facility starts. We didn't just do this because we thought this is what we ought to do. We did this because the industry representatives told us exactly what they wanted to see, and that's exactly what we did.